It's on again. It's electricity, power management, and more. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Multi-Skilled Electrician. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you receive notification for later uploads. Okay, so today I'm doing a very short video about a rotary hammer drill machine and the various purposes that you can use for, or the various things that you can use for. Okay, so on this drill machine here we have what we call this this drill, this hammer and drill, and this hammer. So I want to chisel this wall, so I have to switch it to the hammer position. Okay, so I'll go ahead and chisel it. When you want to chisel a wall, stuff like that, you can actually a wood or a steel. Drill a hole into a. So let me go over it quickly. So when you want to drill a steel, or let's say a wood, you turn it, or you switch it to this drill here. And when you want to drill a hole into a wall or something, you switch it here. But now I'm using it to chisel the wall, so I'm switching it to hammer. Purposes, they come with different with the chiseling. There's a kind of bit we have. It's pointed and also it's flat type. Yeah. Of dust and that it's going to that will be fast. Quickly cut this. Okay, so these are various drill bits. This specifically for breakthrough. So let's say you are supposed to send a cable or a pipe at the back of this. You use this to drill through the wall to the back. There's another size. We have different sizes. There are small ones and big ones as well. So there's like this size, it comes in sizes. This size 16, this size 16, okay, and this size 22, this size 22. We have various sizes. Depends on what we want to do. Depends on what you want to change this. Change this. Put this one. Change it to drilling. Drill. it comes in different sizes. Depends on the application of what you want to do. This size 8, this size 6, there's another size 6, yeah, and this size 10. We have various sizes, and also some are long, some are short, so it depends on what you want to use it for.